Hey, are you ready for the NTID Career Fair? Ready to meet employers from all over the country? What are they coming here for? Oh, to see deaf and hard of hearing students like you. Let's go.
Here's where the NTID Career Fair will be. At the first floor of LBJ and the Dye Art Center in LBJ Hall. There will be over 30 employers from all industries here to give co-op, internship, and job opportunities to talented students like you. This is an amazing opportunity to network and grow. Don't forget to prepare before you go. I've got just the place for you. Come on.
Welcome to the NTID Co-op and Career Center. Here, you can find your employment advisor, get tips on your resume, and practice interviews, and much more.
Hey!
Hi, the Career Fair is coming soon. Do you have any advice?
Yes, here's a tip. So dress sharp. Bring many copies of your resume to hand out to the employers.
To be prepared, I look into companies that should be there.
Wow, smart. Seems you're ready.
Thank you for your help. See you at the Career Fair.